Hey team, so I'm back in New York for the weekend. I'm here with my best friend Sonia, who's recording me right now on Instagram. But yeah, we're gonna have a really fun weekend. We're gonna see a lot of our friends and just explore the city a little bit. So I'm excited to take you guys with me. Hey, so we are finally ready and we're gonna be heading out in a little bit to go meet our friends that are from college. So we haven't seen some of them in like a few years. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Jake gets into town later tonight, so we'll just be hanging about doing all that stuff today. I'll show you guys what we're wearing in a few minutes. It'll be great. But yeah, we're just staying in my aunt's apartment again right now, but we love that we can stay here. It's just a great spot and it's in such a great location in New York. And I'm just like so grateful that it's only like a few hours bus ride away. We got in late last night and we ended up having like a really horrible bus ride in. It ended up being like 6 hours instead of 4 hours. Anyway, but we made it in and we're happy to be here. So Sonia, what are you wearing?
This is my OOTD. Like I wouldn't wear this jacket if I wasn't in New York, but like I have to be weather appropriate, but I like left the crop top to show that I'm from Cali. Okay, so this top is like a black turtleneck I've had forever and I use it like for everything, not sure which one, so sorry. These pants are from Nordstrom, some like weird LA brand, but I really like the joggers. These are Converse that I also got from Nordstrom.
Those are awesome.
But they're a little bit different. I got the socks from Target because I just needed like long socks to protect myself. Jacket is Calvin Klein. Beanie.
Who knows?
Who knows? And then rings are collected. I don't know what else to say.
Okay, so I'll show you my outfit now. So I'm wearing this jacket from Mango. I just hauled it in my last video. I'm wearing black jeans from Zara. My shoes are from Via Spiga from Nordstrom Rack. They're really comfy. I'm wearing this turtleneck, that's my aunt's, and then underneath I have another layer because we love that in the wintertime. And then my jewelry, this is also my aunt's. It's just really cute. And
I don't know if that focused.
Earrings from Princess Polly.
She looks really cute and weather appropriate, and I'm gonna freeze. She's smart. She's been in the cold for a while. Me, I have not.
It's fine.
I have not. I have my midriff showing, and I'm gonna be cute, cold, and getting hypothermia.
We love it. So we were just outside taking pictures in Times Square. Woo! And now we're in the H&M. We're just gonna look around for a little bit while we wait for our friend to meet up with us. I know, my hands are frozen right now. It's so cold outside. But yeah, we're excited. It's so nice out here. I love being here. And I love New York City. So I get why so many YouTubers and people move here. It's a great place. Okay, so it's super windy and pretty cold out today, but so fun fact, my aunt's apartment that we stay at right over here is right across the street from Ariana Grande's place. It's a beautiful building, but yeah, fun fact. How cold are you on a scale of?
I'm keeping myself hot for my appearance.
You are hot. We love it.
I'm so annoying.
Hey guys, so we're in Grand Central Terminal and it's really pretty here.
Ceiling too.
It's Gossip Girl, right?
Oh yeah, it is like Gossip Girl.
Yeah, this is great. This is where Serena van der Roodsen was like found or whatever. So we're in Grand Central beneath the first floor and there's like a really cute little food court down here. There's like a Shake Shack, coffee stalls. It's super cute. Love it. It's fun.
Like a graveyard there.
Oh wow, that's spooky. It looks like a piranha.
Yeah, you just stay here.
So we're at One World Trade Center. This building's really beautiful. They have shopping in here now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know. We're just gonna go get some food later and it's gonna be really good. We're in Greenwich Village now. We're just gonna go get some lunch. It's really cute down here. That's so cute. Historic bar for LGBT rights. We stand. Leaker's Pizzas. Yum! Oh, I love that cute little shop here. They have all these knickknacks. Can you see me? Now that's funny. Trump's small hand soap. Oh my god, should I mail it to him? I love that. Hey guys, so we're finally back from our day out. It was super fun. We ended up meeting up with a college friend who we hadn't seen in a really long time, and so it was really good to see him. And he just took us around. We went through Times Square, popped up to Central Park, just walked around there for a little bit, and then took the subway down to the World Trade Center. It's really beautiful down there, so I would definitely check it out if you're in the area. And then we went to dinner at this really great pizza place, and we're just gonna chill for a bit while we wait for Jake to get here. I'm not sure what we're doing tonight. I'm sure we'll eat something and then go to an event of some kind, but yeah, just gonna relax for a bit.
And this guy is the other Jake.
Hey guys, we're back from our day out. So after we left, we went to go get dinner at Chop Shop. What's it called again? Chop Shop? And we had some good food. And then we got some dessert, and we were supposed to go to a comedy show at this place called The Pit, but I went to the wrong location, so we didn't end up seeing the show, which was a big bummer. But yeah, so we just ended up going to a bar for a quick drink, and Jake's got pizza. And it's very exciting. And now we're just gonna have a chill night in and just relax, but yeah. Exciting for staying in New York.
Hi guys.
Go. Jake, please, I want you to say yeah. Please? Jake, come on. Jake, seriously? Jake, I'm just gonna put like a 5-minute montage of you not saying it then. Good morning, Sonia.
I'm kind of still getting ready.
It's okay. So it's day 2 in New York City, and we had a late start today. It's like almost 11, but we're gonna go thrifting, and it's gonna be great. So we're gonna have some fun. I'll show you what we are wearing in a minute. It's pretty simple, but also pretty cute. I think so.
Chef Sessions is running for Senate.
No way.
Yeah.
Hi, Sonia. So what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a lot of thrifted things. This turtleneck was thrifted from like Salvation Army like years ago, but it's been solid. Thrifted also, technically not Depop, but basically same concept. I really like it. It's like Almost Famous vibes.
Yeah, I love it.
These pants are Free People, and the shoes are the same from yesterday. And thick socks are kind of fun. Oh, it's wrecking already.
Yeah, it's pretty right. Okay, so I am wearing my All Saints leather jacket. So yeah, and then underneath I just have an H&M turtleneck that I bought yesterday. And then underneath that, I'm wearing a cheetah print top.
Ooh, spicy.
Fun. Yeah, that I got from Revolve. I forgot which brand, so I'll just put that in here. And then my Zara jeans and my Via booties from yesterday. So that's my outfit for today.
Okay.
Jake, do you want to go? Just so you know. We're at the Chelsea Market. It's super cute here. There's so many different things, little knickknacks. And I just bought a sterling silver ring as well, so.
3 at 50 a piece.
He didn't.
Fashion! We've got way too much. We're at Vanessa's Dumplings, which is a go-to Brooklyn spot. We're very excited. Yeah, it is an Instagram hotspot. Like, that's the whole point. Ooh. We don't have to go up if you don't want.
Actually being like a giant.
Jesus, we're on the wrong side.
Nice.
Why does it look like the entirety of Spain just walked past us? We're not that far. I think it's like just past this thing. These buildings up ahead. Yeah, we're really close actually.
Strict I've ever seen this place though, without a doubt. They never normally run. She's seen the video.
It's for my vlog.
Trying to chase the star, caught up here with you, trying to make this earthly groove, caught up, trying to chase.
So I'm at the Renwick right now, which is a museum in DC, and it's really cool. There's these teapots. They're so cute. Lots of cool stuff here. So if you're ever in DC, definitely come to this museum because it's really awesome. Now this is a sick teapot. So we're in the National Museum for Women in the Arts, and it's really awesome because they only have women artists here and like stuff by women in the gift shop, which is cool. So this is some of the art. But yeah, I think there needs to be more representation of women in museums. Like if you go to any of the other museums here, like the National Museum Gallery of Art or whatever, there's like no woman in there, and it's like really ridiculous because we're badasses, you know? I love that. So, yeah. She's not down. Oh my god, it's me.
I want to go hang out with my boyfriend. Look, why are you making me cry?
Same. Like, look at that. That is beautiful. The colors in that are gorgeous. So, yeah, I don't know. Men suck. So we're just in Georgetown right now. We're walking down to the waterfront. Did some shopping at Urban. But yeah, it's just a beautiful day out in DC. We definitely overdressed. I brought like a jacket and it's just way too hot for it. But yeah, it's turning out into a lovely day.
Everyone gets really traumatized with my facial expressions.
Yeah, because you look like you're unhappy.
I get this all the time from everyone.
I know, but you're just tired. Yeah. We're at New Haven Pizza. It's delicious.
I'm either on or off.
I know, it's okay. Yeah, but it's okay. We're gonna go home